Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scrap and Stamp YouTube channel. It's Jess here, and today I'm sharing a spooky cute Halloween treat box featuring Concord and Ninth and Lawn Fawn. I love bringing brands together to get the most out of my supplies, and best of all, this one comes with some special treats. As always, I'll have all the links in the description box below. I started by stamping each image with Memento Tuxedo Black ink on Spectrum Noir Ultra Smooth cardstock. We're going to be coloring in these cuties using Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend markers. When I'm coloring small images, I like to go from darkest to lightest, moving between colors in small circular motions. Once I'm happy with the blend, I'll add highlights if necessary. These mischievous kitties are modeled after my two, in what I imagine they'll get up to when we're not around. Here's a little peek at the treats we'll be adding in later. What's your favorite Halloween candy? Let me know in the comments below. I've decided that our mystery ingredient is going to be poison. Now that all the images are colored in, I'm going to quickly assemble our cauldron. The next step is assembling the treat box using the Concord and Ninth mini gift box die set. I love this set because not only does it come with the box dies, but it also has mini tags, sentiments, and a bow tie. I wanted to add a little fun window to create a pop of color from the candy packaging and reached for a dome-shaped die from MFT. Now we're going to add the acetate sheet using a strong adhesive, and we're all set to fold on the scored lines. You can also use a bone folder if you want a nice crisp edge. All that's left is adding a strong adhesive on the edges, and don't mind me, I'm going to hold my breath. With this adhesive, you got one shot to get it right, and hooray, we did it! Now it's time for my favorite part, decorating the scene. I'm going to add a boo using stitched letters from my stash with white cardstock. While we're die cutting the letters, we're also going to include one of the tags from the Concord and Ninth die set. Once they've been run through the die cutting machine, it's time to stamp our sentiment. We don't need the whole phrase, and I'm not quite ready for stamp surgery, so we're going to mask out the area we don't need. And there we go, perfect! Now we can adhere all the images and letters. Once they're in place, we can trim down our shelf so it fits perfectly on the front of the treat box. To attach the tag, we're going to add some Halloween baker's twine so that it hangs perfectly to the side. Now we're going to tuck in some treats, add glossy accents and coordinating sequins. And here's our final project. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time!